Odi the tiene say UEFA Super Cup near dadin etodwa nana anodin ye papa PSG ni Tottenham Hotspur na game no start here na just say on the 39th minute and I say Mickey Van de Ven register first goal at the man Tottenham ye two games were Christian Romero 48 minutes obo second goal na say game no first half round near the ye bo second half round just say Tottenham 4 Tottenham 4 kwekwa game mu tune kwekwa game mu na kese game no kon on the 85th minute and a king in Lee take abako hedema PSG masa na kese almost play na sorry 90 plus 4 Gunkaro Ramos equalize man ye 2-2 na game no travel ko penalties na Odiasempa penalties no na kese 4-3 in favor of PSG na kese official PSG no and I can say UEFA Super Cup no omonso etimi agi esi omuna so na odidi atian say game wey etodo Blue Energy Stadium o idini Italy betima fe no Stadio Fioli na chese game wey no enipom ko bomani akoma 21,025 na urafira wodina mfinfina oto ayirem no o João Pedro Pinheiro free Portugal na game no eba na wieye no na chese Ousmane Dembele na chese Ousmane Dembele enya man of the match na ye road game na breakdown on so no ye de asomo ene anopeya de atia ne say before say game no ebe shaase no na chese stadium hom de bana kokokobọ ho no matwere so say stop killing children, stop killing civilians adai na mukunkum enkra wo kroma sa anytime amufo mukunkum mo enti ebe sere sa de no munyai na game no be shaase no Tottenham Hotspur na chese mu coach friend Thomas Frank na se oni Luis Enrique na se mu je ho mu didi nkomo de sa tuna betia o mu didi nkomo kama na game no ekoso no Gunkaro Ramos equalize ho na kwotena se na oye ne nsate se de Diogo Jota ne sembo no obo game na chese we no o de kai Diogo Jota na Tottenham de tiense game no ekoso na chese o mu didi 2-0 no na chese o mu lidi ya until 85th minute na chese o said Tottenham fire one just trophy ko mo be fa na 85th minute na chese PSG for chance omo keke omo ho na game no eto dwawie na chese Ousmane Dembele ono so stars no na e wosoro oye 1 assist o share penalty goal it's a penalty shot no so o share ne de 3 shot 2 out of 3 dribbles 3 key passes 4 out of 5 long balls 3 crosses 60 touches na chese game no bana wie no o say nya man of the match we na nkofo chire me say Ballon d'Or na to said ye si kono de Ballon d'Or no ato anisa na chese tiefo amutie no ubetima ko Katakyie ka YouTube no kobo KatakyieFM TV YouTube KatakyieFM TV oba search engine honoma na chese ubetima share live we enso anin sama ekoso na de tie ne sese hwema Nuno Mendes enso hwe ne stars na awosoro Champions League Ligue 1 Coupe de France Super Cup UEFA Super Cup and the Nations League na chese Nuno Mendes so no club and country no Portugal ni adade no any PSG no ono so stars e wosoro na game no eba na we na say Christian Romero so no e wo Tottenham Hotspur na chese ono so tini so na ada press e konso so nya hwe next time no yenso ye betima yere ye ho we enso ene nsem efiri oba na Kudus enso ba game nim na chese owie ya unu atefo ma chese sede we say nanim na chese enema enso da enkoye mfama no enema enso entim entwaye na Luis Enrique so no o hwe ne stars na e wosoro Luis Enrique stars they say no waje 5 trophies na chese sa calendar year we no for the second time 2015 no Barcelona oyebi ho La Liga oje Copa del Rey Champions League UEFA Super Cup FIFA Club World Cup PSG 2025 no like I said trophy the Champions League 1 Coupe de France Champions League and afa so UEFA Super Cup na kese we one the third time we so ya dia na kese Luis Enrique Garcia so no we ne nsam so fira so ya ba na the tense game no ba na we ya omjeje omo medals no na kese captain no Marquinhos Ojene Diana kese ne medal no odema Zabani se masa jefatu komu bi na team na obamu no yenso be konkode ne so e de abo club no we ene ensem ekoso na o stadium am kosi akan honom na kese mdi kan ya no stadium na nkasa heavy Blue Energy Stadium and I say better friend no Stadio Fioli na chese picture no nya dande no ohwe angle some no to senegum say FE pa na say eno so ensem nsufiri ho ba na de tie ne say no empanimfo etirem say UEFA Super Cup no say better travel for 4 teams tournament saa no mpɛ so mo ye no say omo dwen wo se Nyankopɔn ya adoma bibia ya set ya nyame adoma next time bia no omo ka go born Middle East and say USA saa na mpanimfo no so adwene ho na Tottenham Hotspur say the name sikoko ye ni adadi prayers and ahye omo ye pa because ultimately di timwa ultimately di 2 goals 85 minutes na chase ni matima dane na the president ka se masa we ade a etima ahye omo ye na PSG ahye no omo be the first French team a omotima winning UEFA Super Cup na chase history nso no enso etimi koso bibia enso yen koso se de America ka no we chart na to ama Ousmane Dembele so do mu kan de Ballon d'Or na fan chen ya na sa e kala fise na chese mpanimfo na wiam enti we omo na o se timi ekoma omo we enso ne nsansam a ya de sumo mansande ro so Katakyie 90.9 se de me kan no beko YouTube na kwa ba shem searching ji ho no KatakyieFM TV na chese be hwe live enso YouTube we enso ani emun sama eba na Liverpool enso atiase se o mesen sa pre we sa pre medical na o sorry aba Giovanni Leoni sabe sa center back omania bre na package no package ni 35 million euros na ke so we so sell on cross enso o ma se sa pre we so moton na long deal no omso be na bibi kakra ise aka se club to club no omso be di nkomo na ke se bibia enso atima yenkoso 18 years na branch we enso atima di na mi wuramu ewo ensam fufuro mu a Liverpool enso offer Ibrahima Konate se ni new contract no onye na on sign when I just say about reject ya sama ya ombotono because abrante na dwen say nyame adoma next season no obako as free agent na say ono so ko Real Madrid sa no so na emu nsema hete na Enzo Riola geology na Roman agent na o chire mu say emfa just say ekwan ya PG party o ma faso no ano odinye say o mo hwa ni mu say Premier League na the best option say ka say o mpeso mo ko ba say clubs bia no entimi ene omu negotiate yen kasai ono nya na dwen say ba mra ko Italian clubs num say ne kase omugu so omudidi nkomo enso ene ade na Odiasempa de tie say num say Benjamin Zesko so deal no na nka Barcelona for your madwen say Nyankopon adoma next season that is 2026-2027 no enkom kwa kofa no na baba sel Lewandowski anan na chese mo Manchester United musu mu di America kikiki mo so sa pra we chese bibia enso team aye enkoso enso ede amamo we ni nsama ede so mo na Luis Enrique ne hon sansem ni ade no se ababa Spanish manager se no o ma PSA European Super Cup ya na chese de tie ne se Pep Guardiola na chese ono ko the 4th times Luis Enrique 2 times Vicente Del Bosque enso 2 Rafael Benitez enso 2 Wendy Ramos 2 Unai Emery and also Victor Fernandez not as a Spanish coaches you know not as no e basa UEFA Super Cup we am so bom homa dem pa we enso ani emun sama e de so mo Ansu Fati enso not as when training na the first training session no bibia enso e koso dendendin a not as no so say e so omo hwe ni mo say Nyankopon adom e kire no so no onso be ka team not as o ma join training sessions we any emun sensem na de tennis say Rodrigo so hon sensem no Manchester City enso aye ready say no isika sam nia de na according to say no alternative say ababe presi Savino hon sensem no say omu guso edidi nkobo say sani value price na ye 100 million no omo hwe ni mu say sika wo mbetua na omafa no Rodrigo Goes we any emun sensem na Vitinha also sensem na say o he season we ya ono so ne o hwe season we ya na say heat map no enso e wo soro papa because hwe teams na dia dia clubs on no mu share for clubs and country na when the performance na e wo soro ye na say omne Tottenham no 95% na say 84 out of 88 omni Chelsea boy 91 out of 101 na say we nso yen sem afiri oba omni Real Madrid so no 93% na say we no 104 out of 112 90% obromni Bayern Munich boy 45 out of 50 96% 118 out of 123 obromni Inter Miami boy and afenso no omni Seattle boy so 96% 107 out of 112 and afenso omni Botafogo enso ye 92% 134 out of 145 98% 112 out of 114 wabromni Atletico de Madrid boy and afenso Portugal ni Spain so no 94% na just say 76 out of 81 and omni Germany so ye 90% 27 out of 30 27 out of 30 wabromni Germany boy Inter omni Inter so boy no 72 out of 80% na ensanfo from no and Luis Enrique kire mo say game pa de toro bia football anya fair because game mu hunu say nanka we mu na February Tottenham nanka sa trophy so mutimi je ba football de akoye nsense bi eto ebi ho no ma ka se untimi emprete we any emu nsensam na say uwura mu ha Morocco nso no Morocco players no na say o he o stars eba sa Super Cup ya mo so etimi abom ho baden 2015 no na kese muna hadadi na kese no so kabasa team no ho a omboje sa trophy we afi Hakim Ziyech 2021 Chelsea na ono so eka ho na afi nso no Diaz 2024 that is Ibrahim Diaz no no so eka Real Madrid ho na afi Achraf Hakimi 2017 and after 2017 na Madrid and after 2025 no enso eye PSG we any emunsem na Luis Enrique no said ye Mexican no like I say ono so ba the fifth manager ono so win say UEFA Super Cup we with two different clubs Carlo Ancelotti ayodi Pep Guardiola Luis Van Gaal Sir Alex Ferguson and after Sir Luis Enrique ya me kana semi me last so that me di tuja na me Odiasempa enso e di efisem na ba no se wo musisi a most valuable 11 no just me wura Premier League ni mo a 2025-2026 Premier League no e say o stars na sikasem ne de no market value 1.15 billion euros se o musisi a na ke to place o mu pie mu na David Raya Arsenal goalkeeper no they say no ne value na ka say 40 million euros the club no Arsenal Gabriel Magalhaes enso ewo Arsenal na ka say no so no the price value no enso 75 million euros William Saliba enso 80 million euros Arsenal no so wo na ka say so sanete Urian Timber enso 55 million euros Arsenal no so wo Gavadio enso 75 million euros Manchester City Declan Rice Arsenal 120 million euros Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante like I said Rodri no 110 million euros like I said onso Manchester City Copama Chelsea 120 million euros Florian Wirtz enso 140 million euros Liverpool na onso Bukayo Saka 150 million euros Arsenal and a and also Erling Haaland 180 million euros onso Manchester City they say we must see Arsenal for no sales players e kana ka say masa do so no market value nya sam ketwa Enti Dr. Jabaya Sremo season we Samani League na muntimi mfa asembia enyima no ye sika da mu press no so no enye asem ketwa odi ha na breme me kwan na de amano nsem ni besina me Odiasempa enso de akọ afisem ni mu
me da ase Achimedes so de amano nsem na begu enim enano pe ni de afisem no eto aso hye afise ene no ene nsem na ewom no eye bebre wa hanu ma che se ye bo no papa na yakọ ho no ma ye sha ase afri asante kotoko aso ye nyame ya adoma Saturday omu pre-season match koso den yedin ka boma ne say asante kotoko second phase of pre-season no omakwa kopiem ewo Cape Coastal eho ena omuduma aboabo ho for CAF Confederation Games ebe nyame yadoma ebe koso no eti nyame yadoma Saturday no omebo 2 games ewo ho 8 am pepe asante kotoko ene black FC4 edebebo ani den ewo honuma enya se debo 4 pm pepepa asante kotoko any need soccer academy omusa de bebo ani ewo Cape Coast Sports Stadium honuma we enya amanebo abeka yensa ene anope ewo honuma asante kotoko edi djuma den na ye free honum na ye ransom fufuro mu a George Efie asoye ene ye kwakwa kopie ewo hoyi we oye panyina wadi djuma sonko edi amaji efi satamana owura kwesi nyantachi ewo no ye vice president ewo honum na congress ya enra etodwa no ana emubusa omose edienti ana se media for no omama kwan amama nwuram bi na odi tudwa say it doesn't make sense say GF for ebesi media no ano kwan say omama nwura inside no enkwankwa fa ade bia ekoso inside na ade we eye arehosema eni say esibiem ewo Ghana football mu ewo honum we ni nsema GF vice president George Efie odi tudwa no koso a edu tudwa say sa presidency 3 times na yakwa kwaja tum no na nka onde ko benya e wo senke to aba no separate and na say ye tun secret eni kwa say ka say club we man nsaso no mama nsaso one yakan mo honom we ene nsema odi tu dwa say we e ya de eni kwa say ECBM e wo Ghana football mu e wo honoma we ni nsema owura George Efie former vice chairman of Ghana Football Association odi atu dwa ho na Kofi Manu Blue Boy e de nsem bi atudwa je say ni nsem nyina ne say Sama won wa bin e wa GF status committee na status regulations no wa bin we mu nsensem ne pa GF nsensem ne beto dwa no sa presidency no de enchemu ababeto enim ena anope wo ho no TNT owura Kofi Manu
the 3-term limit thing should not be the one to benefit from it.
Seriously, it is legitimate because we know that you do not make a law to take a retrospective effect. And for that reason, since Katakyie took office based on the existing status that had 2 terms, he cannot benefit from any extension thereafter. Like I said in the beginning, assuming that they say, 4 years is enough for somebody to perform, so we are making the term 1 term, it does not affect Katakyie. He will not be forced to resign or terminate his mandate because he is entitled to 2 terms as was enshrined in the previous status. The only person who will start with maybe 1 term will be fresh people who will have fresh mandates. So technically Katakyie will not have to contest even if they have agreed on 3 terms. And that is where the constitutional crisis will arise if somebody, if Katakyie attempts to file a nomination and somebody takes the matter to court.
Okay, wait.
Will you take a matter?
Okay, wait. Any ensema. Ora kofi menu blue boy. Odu tuja o cheche mu se Katakyie ku nipa so ono ma change status no. Enti min take effect e won so gise obi fofura obeba. Enti we e ensema a chese a start ya eba to ko YouTube no so okọ hono ma Katakyie 90.9 FM ne Katakyie FM TV. Katakyie FM TV e YouTube no so obenya sa information ni nyina e wo hono ma. Ya ko ya nim ya ko nse we ransom foforo mu a openye efe no Ibrahim Sani Dara sa man we ono na odiri duma sonko edema Kwesi Nyantakyi press no communication director Emma Ghana Football Association and also edit to just say ono so where the football next year 8 years enye enough so betim dey aye football no hono man je say ono e defend sa GFA 3 terms extension no e wo hono man je say akoye intinuasho after say omno omugitumo na ewrem e wo opanya efe no nyaho tamakulu aso ye papa wo de nsem bebre atudwa e wo hono na ono before say sa omokwa akwaji atumu hono odi nkan e kasai na after say omkwaji tumu hono no o sa de sa nsem bi atudwa ni nsem ni nyina ne say wo so ono obekoso a fight till say obewuo say omesan a reverse back to 2 terms now omode atu hon say we GFA president ubedi e Ghana Football Association no o chem say osa koso ade tuja say sa extension we abai eye avenue a omopese omudi wia ade e Ghana Football Association ye ntinsem wode tuja
if it's left unchallenged. This is a concerning precedent threatening not just the foundations of football governance in Ghana, but the democratic principles we have worked so hard to entrench. Because these things are dangerous. We shouldn't forget that there are young people copying it. Why do people want to stay in power indefinitely? For what reason? Just to steal. I repeat it, just to steal, nothing else.
Okay, we ora nyaho tamakulu ono waye GFA chairman pen wode atudwa ebra omo ekogitum se 3 terms no enya adwuma e Ghana Football Association so ewie no e na nsantwe 40C krom so amne supporters edi nkomo afa say decision we a aba bonten ho no yentie supporters na adwen kire wo.
And for Kofi Adams, I don't know what transpired because he's been a critic of Katakyie when he was in opposition. So I don't understand why you allow a Congress in which journalists will not be allowed into the premises. And now you are telling us, Katakyie is telling us that, okay, support our own. Journalists should talk much about Ghana League. And when you're having a conference or I don't know what really went on with that Pobi there or that Pram there that he prevented journalists from entering into that place. So I think Yoko and Ghana police should invite you as to why he never allowed journalists into that premises because there was something fishy. But for now, Katakyie, whatever he wants from GFA, he will get it on a bigger stage. His disgrace will be from FIFA and from CAF. You should mark this on the wall.
That one there, no comment, but forget about Ghana football.
The pitches are not good. The stadium everywhere. Look at what happened at Isuatremai. Since that time, if you ask me to go to stadium to watch games, I won't go because like probability that you come back home now, it's very very low. So Katakyie there. We are in Ghana, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm not surprised that he's going to the theater. I'm not surprised. He has not achieved anything. Look at the Black Stars. Now, do you know they are playing Chan? There's no Ghana. AFCON, no Ghana. Even the World Cup crown. If care is not taken, we can't go. So, Katakyie, I don't want to talk much about him. Whatever you want to do, you should do. So,
okay, yes.
But you don't think that, but right now, do you think Katakyie should go for 12 years?
For my option is good.
So Katakyie should go for 12 years?
Yes.
We and some supporters ni be added to ja ebra sa decision say Ghana Football Association third term ho no we ni some supporters no adwenkyira efa ehon na ye de ato anim ene anope e wo ho no na GF nsensem mu ano ye hwe clubs ni bi a omo etofo ene omo moto against some key clubs ni bi e wo ho no na class ensia ana to say omo de omo mpene e ma say decisions no enkoso clubs ni nie Karela United eto so omo mpene Samatex Brekum Chelsea Kimfaisa ena Accra Lions omo de omo so omo mpene tetem no eso nemu House of Folk de omo so omo de omo pene so omo koto yes say Katakyie ne nkofo no yemfa GFA presidency term free 2 enkotre ona Asante Kotoko de omo so omo de omo mpam wasem omo de omo nto aba no e wo ho no ma we ene nsema ni voting partner e free eno congress na ende no ase eba ne Congress hono manu ana yamu busa Fred Achisa wo yen centroni adenti na wo wanko aman central for entimi enre inside anko cover elections na e course anase Congress na e course no ede to central for enim se uko FIFA ene CAF cross anyoma no e wo hono onye tembia na mo man central for kwan e mo re inside e koye nyoma na mo ye no anase mo cover enyoma na e course won te se esi wo Ghana hanoma enye news bia emfa ho so no wo yen centroni na enso ohu adenwanwa bia ewo ma obesere central for no omonyintum e wo hono ma we ene nsema owura Frederick Achia ono wo yen centroni wo sa GFA ESCO member no ode atudwa e wo na ye firi ho na ewura nsemfufuro mu a nyame ya adoma nsenchire cap ebekoso ewo samana boy ewo eye cap a Samatex United omo ene organize every season ewo ho na clubs a ewesi akan ewo ho no eye Dreams FC eduana ana Mediama FC omo ebeka Samatex United ho no makwa kusi sa akan ewo ho no ma omo de boabo ho for 2025-26 na nyame ya adoma on Sunday omo cap no e baso den between House of Folk and Heart of Lion and e dey boy ni wo no ma enu a amanfo atigu kroma na chese omo twimomo me create awareness for homo peace cap a ebeto nyame ya adoma Sunday na transfer update akakra yensa aka no ana yede beto ani mo na ejema nyame ba ne team ato aso ene anope wonu ma winger IFN Evans Oseusu sa play we osi na kan e de Masamate Asante Kotoko eni de na chi onwo hwese ombe sign no na say media mafo so agba awurem a onwo yire omo se ombe gi sa play every Asante Kotoko ensem wo ho no ma we eni nsem efi player no aso ya beka yensa na House of Folk aso na Rocky Jamna ono wo former Asante Kotoko player they say oma sign na 2 years okodo djuma e de ama House of Folk na RTU so eguso a sign goma ye back to Ghana Premier League no Oma sign former player Tamale City midfielder Efen Abdul Basit omo assign na oba bede djuma sonkon e de amona kwada su nema chese wono sa abranti woni pop Henry Kwakubu aten Efen kwada su nema say House of Folk assign na okokusi na kan e de ama House of Folk 2025-26 season ye de besi hanom we ni fie ni ama no nsema ye boabo no e wa agudie mu nsem ne de abro Katakyie 90.9 FM so right